5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, eh? I wish you had 2 launchers, that way you could race. Both at the same time.
Oh, don't give them ideas.
Uh-oh, this one's a floater.
Yeah, that wind got that. That's a floater, huh?
Get it, Aiden!
And
That
there
parachute
stay.
actually worked this time. That's not a good thing.
So, Chris, what's that piece of paper up at the top?
That's the
Got
wadding.
opportunity to get
That's what
that
keeps the pop chart from blowing from the belt and parachute.
All this new stuff.
So
You
it's
know to
supposed
stop
to
at
be-
the road,
yeah.
right, Dan?
Huh?
So you know to stop at the road.
Oh, yeah.
okay?
Yeah, I think it's coming down on the field though, isn't it? I think it's coming pretty much straight down.
It's going to be about where Keegan's came, I think.
That's quite the gradual descent,
now
isn't it?
Now it's drifting. Oh, Aiden! Aiden!
Anne Marie to the rescue.
Aiden! Nora!
I don't think they'll go in the road.
I don't know that Nora wouldn't.
Across the road.
On the car. On the second car. I can't tell.
Nora!
Aiden, John!
Tim, stop, Ren.